darating ang lola ko sa susunod na linggo. Yan.
My grandma will come here in the next 2 weeks.
In the next 2 weeks. Ooh, okay,
Just
okay. I
because
like
that's
it. I like it. Okay, okay. It's almost correct. But usually Filipinos will say,
Yes.
my grandma will arrive here next week.
There's a double next.
Yes. Kasi nga susunod. Usually Filipinos will use that sa next week. O kaya sa next Monday. The everyday English is, my grandma will be here, okay, the week after next. Also the same as what you said. In 2 weeks is correct.
Yes, a
Okay,
double.
yes.
Yeah, I like that.
Yes.
When you
For
say
you,
next, just like
in 2 weeks, diba?
2 weeks.
Yes, you're right. Or another new phrase is week after next.
week after next.
Yes. Kasi next week is, you will say next week, di ba? And then, yung susunod na linggo is week after next.
Very
Di ba?
Nakakalito.
Yes, nakakalito. But it's
Week
a
after next.
proper phrase.